All right, well, it's time for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Michael Ottavino. Michael, now that it's dark out there, maybe those temperatures start to cool down, right?
Yes, just for a little bit, Nicole, before we see some widespread excessive heat on the way for tomorrow. Let's take a look outside. Right now into the Dallas area, looking like a quiet evening outside. Temperatures are finally a little bit cooler. We hit 94 today at the airport. At the moment, we're into those lower 80s. Feels like into those middle 80s once you factor in the humidity. But these temperatures right now will be considered relatively cool compared to what's on the way for your Monday and Tuesday. Let's jump right into it. There is a weather alert in place for Monday and Tuesday. An excessive heat warning will be in effect for all of our viewing area. Feels like temperatures, once you factor in the humidity, will be as hot as 117 degrees. Actual temperatures into the triple digits. So you want to limit your time outdoors for sure. And if you will be outdoors, just keep in mind that dangerous heat is on the way. Here's a look at those excessive heat warning again in effect for all of North Texas. And this is the first one of the season for the Metroplex. So of course more will be on the way. First alert, future feels like temperatures showing once we get ahead into about 4 o'clock tomorrow. Temperatures into the Metroplex feeling like 114 to 115 degrees. Once we get into Tuesday, I think Tuesday will feel even hotter. Notice for the second half of Tuesday, it feels like temperatures 114 into Fort Worth, as hot as 118 degrees up north into Denton. As we look at outside on our first alert radar, again, we're quiet, and I think we'll stay on the quieter side overnight and for most of tomorrow as well. That upper level low that was responsible for some severe weather last night into portions of Oklahoma, Arkansas, even in portions of Texas as well, has pushed out to the east. The stationary front out to our south, again, has still kept things relatively quiet for today. As we look ahead over the next couple of hours, temperatures into the upper 70s to even those middle 70s by 1 o'clock. And once we look ahead into tomorrow, I think that outdoor activity should be just fine. I think a lot of us stay on the drier side. There is an isolated chance, a 20% chance of some showers and storms southwest of the Metroplex. So just keep that in mind that if you're in those areas, you may see a shower or a storm. First alert futurecast, here's Monday at 1:30. We're dry. Notice that little area that we could see a few showers and storms develop. An isolated stronger to severe storm can't be ruled out for that area as well. Otherwise for tomorrow, hour by noon, we're into those middle 90s. And then once we get ahead into 5 o'clock, upper 90s, but again, those feels like temperatures will be well into the triple digits. But at least for tomorrow, we do stay on the drier side. Switching gears to the tropics, a quick look. Again, we have two waves off the coast of Africa. Again, one looking more promising than the other in terms of development. That has a 90% chance of development within the next 2 days, which could become Brett in the coming days this week. Your first alert 7-day forecast will continue to show very hot temperatures on the way. Weather alert in place for Monday and Tuesday, 100 tomorrow, 102 on Tuesday. It feels like temperatures as hot as 117 degrees. We get a little break, relatively speaking, for the temperatures for Thursday and Friday, and then we're back into the triple digits for Saturday and Sunday.